Well, welcome back those who were with us. There are plenty of seats over there. So welcome back those of you who were with us this morning, and welcome those who have joined us just right now. So this is the final pitching event for the Rietumu FinTech Challenge, co-organized with TechHub Riga. My name is Viesturs. I'll be just navigating you through for tonight's event. So first of all, I'd like to give floor to the co-organizers, representatives of both co-organizers. One is TechHub Riga, so member of the board, Māris Daģis.
Yeah, thank you, Viesturs. So yeah, a few words from TechHub side. So TechHub Riga is supporting startups for more than 3 years now. And about a year ago, we started to host these academy events where we bring together startups in some specific segment, some specific niche, together with mentors in order to help them, their business become successful. And financial industry right now is going through some major changes, and it's very exciting. So together with the Rietumu Bank, we decided to create this FinTech challenge specifically for the FinTech startups in this region. I personally went through the selection process for this challenge, and I must say that the number and the quality of the startups was really good, and I'm really hopeful that many of them will become very successful businesses in the future. So again, I wanted to thank our co-organizers, Rietumu Bank, for their support, and also all the mentors and jury members, and I'm looking forward for the final pitches. Thank you.
And I would like to give the floor to representative of Rietumu Bank, Renats Lokomets.
Welcome to Rietumu Bank. It's very nice and interesting to see what we have many projects what apply to our event, and we think what today it will be a great presentation of and pitches from the companies, and startups with what will be done by all of teams what prepared themselves doing today. About ourselves. So why we just wanted to say a couple of words about why we think what fintech is very important. The market with financial services adjusted to global trends. We see the development of technology and development of the markets because of the current changes. What we see based on the new technology will be significant. Change during next 5-10 years, and as many of our competitors in the market, worldwide market, we see what the fintech will take part of its financial services, and we want to be part of it because we are ready and continue to support the fintech companies and fintech ideas. As you see, investment in the 2014 investment in fintech area was around 10 billion, and expected to be more than 20 million in this year. Many companies started their activities a year ago and 2 years ago, but during the next years we will see more and more companies. What part of them will be successful, and we see already the results, successful result also from Eastern Europe. Unfortunately, not from Latvia, but we hope that together with our support, it will be more fintech companies in Latvia, and what will be so successful as TransferWise, Estonian, and Bandura, what was a leader from the PNP lender. So, whereas what we see, as we see it, is e-commerce, because we forecast what the cash transaction will disappear during some years. Maybe it will take 10 years, maybe 20, but see what it will go to be. It will be online. Mobile banking, everything will be on the phone. As many of you who are sitting here, you understand what the mobile phone will be a driver of all changes in the banking industry and financial industry. P&P financing and crowdfunding as a part of the industry. It's already started, and lending, successful IPO of Lending Club is fact what people are believing in this trend. In Eastern Europe and Western Europe it's only started, but we see what it will have significant impact to the lending industry very soon. Insurance, brokerage, everything. What you can mention, you can take everything from financial services and understand what fintech will bring additional changes. We are, as a bank, already in fintech. From our point of view, we are supporting. We can say what we are most technological bank in the region. We have only one headquarters. We don't have branches, so all our services are presented online, and we already presenting services. What is very user-friendly to our customer, and will continue to do so. We are supporting e-commerce, and we are organizing the biggest event here in Baltic states, e-commerce was when 400 businessmen from around the Eastern and Western Europe coming to here and bringing their ideas and making their businesses. One second. As a process of technology, we are expecting to launch in May a new service what will be powered by Rietumu Bank is Decta. It will be a new processing center in Latvia and in Europe, and we will be ready and want to present the best services to our clients. And we see what the demand for these services is huge, and we will work hard to make it technological and from point of view of technology and business, very interesting to work with us. 1 second. I just coming back to we as is for many of you, it can be as additional thing what we are starting from today. We are announcing the startup support program in the field of fintech. We are ready to present the new services to startups. We are ready to present a free processing on Visa, MasterCard transaction and Decta and processing center. We are ready to startups what only starting making to the first steps, free online merchant accounts in Rietumu Bank. And many different kind of services what we will give for free to the startups what starting their activities in the beginning, and to help these clients to grow and to grow successful. I hope what everybody who will present the pitches, their companies today will use our services, and many of other what will work with us. As additional, we are planning and continuing to develop Riga as the center of fintech and high tech. During this very short period of time of 1.5 years, we are set up in Rietumu IT center, what will be located here close to our building on Gannibu Dumby Street. What there we want to propose to a high-tech company to come to Riga to make more businesses here in Riga, and to Latvian company to be more active and to concentrate in one building what will present to them possibility of networking and to making more profit and to be more successful. It's very soon, so we will send more information about it. Welcome to everybody, and we hope what the pitches will be great, and we will choose the best, but everybody is the best, so we will choose the best of best.
Thank you, Renat. So, okay, before we proceed, once again, I'd like to emphasize that this obviously would not be needed if not those great teams, but it would not be possible if there would not be a generous support of Rietumu Bank, and as well a huge hand and support of formerly known as Latvia's Garantija Aģentūra. Nowadays it's Development Financial Instruments, which does also power the labs of Latvia, which I highly recommend you all visiting. It's a web platform sharing the news, what's going on in here and in a broader region as well. So let's once again give the hand of applause, the round of applause, for God's sake. Thank you.